Guys, my name is Shirokimani. Today we are in the Karura forest. This is just a recreational center that is ideal for nature walks as well as exercising. If you want to clear your mind off, this is a very good area. And also there's a picnic site if you want to come for picnic activities. We want to visit the caves as well as the waterfall and probably go bird seeing or just take nature trails. So journey with us. The amazing thing about Karura is that you can find a lot of indigenous trees. If you just look around, there's so many trees that are so beautiful, and actually there are species of trees here that can be used as Christmas trees. And that's also something I've always wanted to do when I have my own place. Plant one of those trees and then decorate them on December, which is a really nice idea. But the forestation in general is very beautiful. It's just a place that you can just come and chill. Comes to the end of our journey, so probably something to note. Right now the waterfall is closed due to coronavirus, but also the caves are closed, so probably you'd just take a nature walk. Thank you so much for journeying with us. Probably come take a stroll over the weekdays or over the weekends and just relieve your mind. See you in the next destination. Africa bit of him about a langa, hey. Africa bit of him about a langa, hey. So we are at the Two Rivers Mall, and probably I could pinpoint some of the activities that are here and probably the do's and don'ts. So first of all, the last time we were here, we really wanted to do the water activity. There's a water activity where you go with where you drive a small car, and then there's another water activity where you kind of like submerge into the water with a boat. Then there's another one that goes up and down all of a sudden. Just anxiety and screaming alone. Yeah, that's my expectation. And then probably something else, split your activities. Have some activities before lunch or before having something to eat, and then have others afterwards. We are now doing the, I don't know what it's called, but it's under Fanscapes. I don't know what it's called, but probably this is definitely something that you'd want to check out. So till next time, bye!